welcome to my channel. Today I have some items I want to show you. I bought some stuff and I thought I would share it. So I'm gonna start showing you some things that I already unpacked. So I'm gonna start with these two polishes. So one of them is Colors by Larowe, and this one is called Radioactive, and it's so beautiful. I've been wanting this polish for a long time. So it's like a neon green. I'm sorry I don't have any pop sticks, but I'm sure you will see this polish in one of my videos coming up soon. It is so gorgeous. Look at it. And then I have another gorgeous polish, and it's this one from ILNP. This one is called Mile High. And it looks like this. It's kind of like a topper, and it's beautiful pink and green, like a rainbow shimmer to it. So beautiful. Then I bought a new stamper. This is from Moyou. I haven't used this one yet, but I opened the package. I'm actually gonna make my nails today. I already made one. The video is coming up after this one. And I'm gonna try the stamper. So just keep an eye on my channel, and the next video that's coming up I will be testing this stamper. So I love the color. I love this transparent pink, so beautiful. And it's really squishy and sticky. Yeah, I can't wait to try it. I needed another big stamper because I'm always using this one from Born Pretty. So let me see. Then I bought a new top coat because my other sèche-vite is nearly finished. If you saw my last video, you could see I had it in my small holder to tilt it. So I bought a new one. Then I got some stamping plates. I have this one from Creative Shop. It's number 111, and it looks like this. I hope you can see it even though the light is there. I love this image here, and this image. This one is also beautiful with the eagle and the sign there. This and this one. This one I really love it also. And this. Then I got another plate from Moyou, or it's Explorer, and it's number 19, Explorer number 19. It looks like this. Love these images. I love images where the line is kind of big, fat lines. I like that. And all the images here are like big lines. I love this turtle. And this and this. I'm looking for the lizard also. There is lizard, like this kind of design also. So beautiful. Another stamping plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. Sorry it's late and I'm a little bit tired. It looks like this. Let me see, is there a number? Number 05. So I wanted these lines here. And then the packet here, I opened it from Aliexpress. It looks like this. So I like all these kind of necklaces. So beautiful. And all these lines here. This is number JR96. But I will write everything down in the description anyway. I have a few packets I haven't opened yet. Let's see this one. Oh, this is neon pigments. Ooh, and I can see something has opened. Let me put some tissue under. I have already some pigments, but I needed the blue one and the purple one I didn't have. And so I thought it's better, you know, instead of ordering two, it's cheaper just to order everything. I mean, order one block. And there is like many shades of pink. So that's good. Let me put this aside. These are some nails. I think they are like stick-on nails. In case I break, because I often just break one nail. And I have bought some polygel, but I bought a set of polygel. I have never used it before. But in the set there wasn't the monomer inside, so I couldn't use it when I broke my nail. And I'm also afraid to use these because I have no experience, and you know, it's so hard to get it off. I see people online using the drill, and the drill is dangerous. So I thought I would buy some of these in case my nail break. Let me see, I have 2 packets left. This is Born Pretty, I see. Some stuff you don't remember it. You know how it is with Aliexpress. Everybody knows Aliexpress. Goes so long and after you don't remember. And sometimes by mistake, I order the same thing, you know, because I forgot because it's so long. So I have few double things. I don't know if you've tried that also. You can leave it in the comment if you have tried that as well. So let's see, what is this? It looks like some kind of flakies. Yeah, it is flakies. It look like this. So beautiful. Ooh, I'm looking forward to using this. I only have one flakies and it's nearly empty. So I'm in need of flakies. Let's see, where's the last packet? Not this one. Let's try this one. This is Elite 99. This is just like how to use. If you don't know how to use, then you can read this. Look at this beautiful color. I'm a neon girl and I just love bright colors. Especially now that it's summer, you can start wearing them. Oh wow, look at this color, how beautiful. Let's see, it's number 1558. And I'm so sorry I can't swatch it for you. But you'll see it in the upcoming videos. So if you're not a subscriber, remember to subscribe. I make a lot of beautiful nail art. Kind of a neon pink. Oops. So beautiful. Let me see, because some of the packets are not nail stuff. I think this is one last packet. Good, another powder. This, let me see, there's no name. It looks like a holographic powder also. Oh wow, it's like super thin. You know, the one I showed you before was like chunky flakies, and this is thin glitter. That's my guinea pig in the background, you can hear. If you hear them. Let me see if I can open it. Nope. Sometimes some of these, they are so hard to open, but I think you can see how it looks like. Look, so beautiful. So that was it for this time, for this haul. I hope you liked all my things, and remember, if you are not a subscriber, subscribe, and keep an eye, put the checklist on the bell so that you will see my videos coming up next, because I will be making some beautiful nail art like this using a beautiful plate that I haven't used before. So keep watching. Bye.